Well, my death trap of a mini bike is a whole lot less of a death trap now. The seat doesn't fall off, it has an actual throttle and an actual kill switch. The motor is nice and mounted in the middle where it should be, so it's not all heavy on one side. Most importantly, it's not as ugly as possible. Now I just need to build an exhaust because, well, I was not going to sell it with this. And to do that, I'm going to be using this, an old set of four-wheeler handlebars. It is actually the perfect size pipe, and if we look at this side, it is just about the perfect shape. So I'm going to chop it up and play around with it until I'm happy. While I'm waiting on that to dry, it's finally time to figure out this rear brake, which I've been procrastinating on, but I have an idea. And it involves getting rid of this old, worn out piece of metal here. Alright, that actually works pretty well. It's definitely a little crude, but so was the old setup. So I did end up having to bend this arm, and I added a little stop on it just so you didn't have to push it all the way down to get brake engagement. But I think it'll slow you down, which is the main goal here. I'm going to go ahead and slap some more white paint on it, and then we'll throw the exhaust back on. Alright, I think I am finally going to call this thing good enough and ready to be sold. In my opinion, this exhaust turned out sweet. For being made out of a pair of old handlebars, this exhaust fits perfectly. It doesn't interfere with the throttle or the choke. She's not perfect, but for a cheap little mini bike, you could do a whole lot worse. With that being said, I think I'm going to take this thing for a rip, and then to Marketplace it goes.